Hey everyone, it's Chelsea from Fstoppers.com, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about the Elvid FieldVision 7-inch on-camera monitor version 2. In bright conditions, it might be tricky to see if your exposure is off or if your white balance is off. So one solution that you can use is an on-camera monitor. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Elvid FieldVision 7-inch on-camera monitor, and it's a pretty standard monitor and pretty inexpensive as well. An issue you might run into when out in the field is getting the correct focus. Even if you're zooming in all the way on these screens, they're still pretty small and it's going to be pretty difficult to see if you nailed the focus perfectly. So a solution to that would be getting one of these on-camera monitors. Because the screen is larger, it's way easier to see if the focus is correct. It also has a really cool feature, which is focus assist. So let me show you how this works. You can actually hit the F3 button, and what that does is turn on the focus assist. You can see that there's red highlights all around the screen. When I rack focus, you'll notice that the red points shift from the foreground to the background. And what that does is it shows you exactly what is in focus in your scene. This feature is super helpful when you're shooting an active scene. Once you've already started recording, you're not able to zoom in on the back of your camera. So using this larger monitor and the focus assist will help you more accurately rack the focus. So as you can see, we're in very harsh direct sunlight, and one of the biggest problems when filming in direct sunlight is being able to see the back of your LCD screen. Now you might want to try and use your hand, but sometimes that doesn't always work. So the monitor actually comes with a sun hood. Now this is not the sturdiest sun hood that's out there, but it gets the job done and it attaches very easily to the monitor. All you have to do is add this plastic part to the front, and it snaps on, and then it's actually Velcro on the side, so then you just slide it on top and voila, now it is so much easier to see the screen. This monitor is super portable and very lightweight. It's only 1 pound and it connects to the hot shoe of your camera. The monitor also takes Sony L-series batteries and comes with an NPF 550 battery and charger. But you can easily switch out the battery plate to take the Canon LPE6 or other brands of batteries. A problem that you might run into if you're like us and use lavalier mics is the hot shoe is already taken when using this monitor. So you may want to buy a reticulating arm or another accessory, and while you're at it, go ahead and buy another shoe ball mount head, because as you can see, this is a little flimsy. What we found when using this monitor is that it was pretty true to the LCD screen. There were no crushed blacks or highlights blown out, so it's pretty spot on when it comes to color. As I mentioned earlier, this is a pretty cheap monitor. It's only $239, which is far less expensive than other monitors. You can spend up to $1,000 on some of them. But if you're looking for a simple solution to some of the problems we talked about in this video, then the Elvid 7-inch monitor might be what you're looking for.